I've never seen Tyler that mad at me before. And I've had a lot of questionable moments. Love him, man. Yeah, you're providing. That's what men do. You provide.
Good. Run to it. Your only thing you have to worry about is that little kid.
Yeah,
I will do everything else.
Provide and protect, brother. Not only that, but we lost Phil for the rest of the season after that game. He broke like 8 ribs or something.
Oh, it was bad.
Yeah. I took him to the hospital after the game and then like, ended up some in-house. Because I mean, this is all I play. You know what I mean? If you need me. He's like, I've seen him take a shootout 1,000,000 times. He's gonna score. I was like, alright.
Yeah, baby! Right in the nuts.
First, he was funny until he got bit by a shark.
Bite his nose off, dude.
He bit his ear, fucking Tyson.
Fucking Tyson.